Hi, I'm Sai Katkoori. I work for ThermoFisher Scientific. I'm a director of finance. I lead the technology enablement and automation for one of our groups. Well, this period is like extremely interesting. We all are going through, and we as an organization, we are the world leader in serving science, right? So, as a response to pandemic, the kind of products that we have built. Last year, ThermoFisher launched a couple of products. One of them being like the ones to conduct the RTPCR tests. It's like this one product called Amplitude, which can test 80,000 samples in 24 hours. So this is the community service that ThermoFisher is doing, and also from like PPE test kits and so many things with respect to pandemic and other products related to science that ThermoFisher is building. See, I'm a process person. I would put the process before any technology. So we as an organization, we have acquired many companies in past few years, right? It's a great organization. However, we have some silos with the processes, systems, and people, right? You know, they're different. They work as like different organizations within one organization. So we are running this massive transformation. It's a journey that we are going through, where we are transforming the processes, where we are trying to make, we are engineering the entire processes, right? I represent finance. So the finance processes standpoint, the end objective is that across ThermoFisher, the accounting language should look the same. Are we going to do the overall ERP simplification? Not really. That's a long-term plan. But on top of ERPs, what are the digital technologies that we can bring in? How can we make the transactions touchless? So the various different applications, starting from like Blackline that we are implementing right now, which is from account reconciliation standpoint and reporting standpoint and robotics, right? And artificial intelligence, machine learning, and reporting. So we are using a widespread of tech stack to serve our business needs. There is immense expectation from our leadership on the technology enablement, right? Any transformation, it starts with an idea and ends with technology, correct? And the expectation from our side, just to give you a simple example, right? Okay, how much time are we taking today to close our books? Like 5 days, 6 days? Now the leadership, we're gradually reducing our closing cycle from like 5 days to 4 to 3, to 1, and great. And our senior leadership is like, all right, when can we have continuous closing? There's no closing. So it's evolving. The expectations continue to grow. And finance as an organization, if you look at it in like past 5 to 10 years, it has evolved so much. How the finance jobs used to look like 10 years back versus now, it's totally different, and it's going to change. It's still evolving, right? And it's becoming leaner and leaner, and the expectations are going up, right? Instead of typical data crunching kind of a job, an accounting kind of a job, FP&A and controllership people are spending more time in analyzing and enabling the leaders to make the right financial decisions. So we, from technology standpoint, we are bringing in this tech stack and building the digital workforce to support that. Well, I wouldn't name like one technology, right? It's multiple. I mean, definitely we need to get rid of some of our older legacy systems. We need to get onto the new ERP systems, and also cloud, obviously, and data security. And we are investing heavily in robotics and AI to predict the future and have a right financial forecast.